You do. Yes. So, basic proportionality theorem or BPT, if it comes in exam, it comes for 4 marks and it's an easy one if you just remember what we are going to do. Understand actually, more than remembering. It is given by mathematician Thales, so it is sometimes also known as Thales theorem. Now, what does this theorem say? But I will be writing the proper proof later. First, I will be explaining it to you. Right? It says if you have a triangle, let us call it ABC, A, B, C. We have a triangle and a line segment anywhere you may draw. And if you have a line segment which is parallel to the base, I'm again repeating. We started with the triangle ABC and we took a line segment DE. You could have drawn DE here, anywhere in the triangle, which is parallel to BC. Then the conclusion will be that AD this upon this, AD upon BB is equal to this upon this, AE upon EC. This is the conclusion. Proportion. Can you see the sides are in proportion? That is why the name of the theorem is proportionality theorem.
मैम इसका एक पिछले वाले एक्सरसाइज में किया था क्या?
Speak in English. Tell me now what you are asking.
Do the this type of question in the last exercise.
This kind of question.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me clear you what that question was. Children do get confused. May I tell about this confusion in the end? But since you have asked, I will be telling you now. In basic proportionality theorem, we say AD upon DE, DB. The point of division is D, so DB. AE, the point of division is E, EC. But in the previous exercise, where we were proving two triangles to be similar, we were using AD upon AB and AE upon AC, the sides of triangle. DB is not a side of any triangle, but AB is a side of triangle. This is the basic difference between basic proportionality theorem and similarity of the triangles.
But ma'am, if we prove triangle AD and triangle ABC similar, then we can do that.
Yes, yes. Getting my point? Are you clear with the difference? Here we are talking proportionality from the point of division. Point of division. But in similarity, we talk from the vertex, the sides of the triangle. Clear, Aditya?
Ma'am, in the first figure, D and E are midpoints, right? By the
No.
midpoint theorem.
No. I never mentioned midpoints. No.
Ma'am, I'm just asking.
No, you can draw it. You can draw DE here. You can draw DE here as well. Anywhere in the triangle.
मैम अगर मैम DE और EC वो पैरेलल है तो मैम वो मिडपॉइंट नहीं होंगे.
Why?
Ma'am, midpoint theorem.
Midpoint theorem.
Midpoint theorem says if in a triangle you are taking midpoint, then the line is parallel. Then the line is parallel. That is the conclusion. If you are given midpoints, then the line is parallel. Here I am saying the line is already parallel. I am not mentioning the term midpoint. And the converse of midpoint says if the lines are parallel and one of them is midpoint, then other will also be the midpoint. Are you getting it, Devanshu?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting the difference better? Converse of midpoint says if the lines are parallel and one of them is midpoint, then the other should also be midpoint. Here, these two are parallel, but I am not saying either D or E is midpoint. Clear? Clear? Children, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us proceed further. So we have to show that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Now before starting with this, let us understand one concept. We have three kinds of triangles. Acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. Right? In acute angle triangle, the perpendicular lines inside. In right angle triangle, one of the side is a perpendicular. But what about obtuse angle triangle? Where does the
Outside
perpendicular
the
lie?
outside.
Yes,
Outside the triangle.
it lies outside. So keep this in mind, we shall be using it here. That in obtuse angle triangle, the perpendicular lies outside. Clear? Now see, what we are going to do is, we have to take, I'm just giving you the hint to solve this theorem. We have to talk of AD, DB, AE, EC. Using these four sides, one at a time, figure out the triangles. किस triangle का ये हिस्सा है? AD is a part of which triangle?
ADE.
ADE.
AE. All right. AE is a part of which triangle?
AD.
Same triangle only. So these two are of the same triangle. All right. What about AB and EC? Are they a part of
ABC.
any triangle?
ABCD.
No, beta. Are they the sides of any triangle?
No, ma'am.
ABC.
No,
No, ma'am.
No. AB is not a side of a triangle, beta. Side तो नहीं है ना triangle की. So what we are going to do is, we are going to do a construction. We will join these two. Right? So that I am getting triangles here. Now tell me, DB is a part of which triangle?
ABE.
DBC.
Sorry.
DBE.
Is it a part of triangle DBE? And is it a part of triangle DBC also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Likewise, this EC is a part of triangle DBE and is also a part of triangle DEC. Right. Now we shall see which triangle out of these two, which one we are going to consider. That we will see later. अभी देखते हैं. आप ही बताओगे कौन सा triangle है. Now here, what we are going to do is, we are going to draw. We are going to talk of areas of these triangles. Areas of these triangles. What is the area of triangle? Can anyone tell me the formula?
Half into base into height.
1 by 2
base
into
into
height.
height.
Into base into height. Since we need height, we need to draw some construction. We need to do some construction. We need to ask for the perpendicular. So I am going to draw one perpendicular from D. Let it be DM.
D is a part of triangle DBE.
Which one, beta?
Ma'am, in the side EC, I want to know how EC is a part of triangle DBE.
E. Sorry. It is ECD. C will be here. Right. Now I have drawn a perpendicular from D to N. From E also I am going to draw a perpendicular. Sorry, N. Right. So I have drawn these two triangles. And since I want to talk of the area of triangle, now let us see. If I talk of DBE, DB, if you have colored pens, please do highlight yourself. DBE. Children, in this triangle, what will be the base? What will be the base?
DB.
DB. And what will be the perpendicular?
DE.
What will be the perpendicular?
EN.
EN. So I am getting a perpendicular in DBE. But if I talk of DBC, is there any perpendicular attached to this one?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. So I will be considering DBE. And likewise, we shall not take DEC, but DCE. Okay. So now let us see the triangles. Let us
Ma'am,
see
I
the
did not get this part. What you just did.
See, now beta, if I take DBE, I have this perpendicular EN for this obtuse angle triangle. But
Yes,
if I
ma'am.
take DBC, I'm not having any perpendicular attached to it.
Yes, ma'am.
DBC is this triangle. And I do not have any perpendicular attached to apply the formula of area of triangle. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So now let us start with the work. we have identified the 4 triangles with respect to these 4 sides. Let us start with this one. Let us start with this one. I'll write the formal proof later. पहले आप समझ लीजिए. With respect to AD, we had triangle ADE. Now for triangle ADE, the area is half into base. What is the base?
AD.
DE.
D
AD.
AD
What is the height with respect to AD? What is the perpendicular on AD? Huh?
EN.
EN.
EN
Divided by DB. What is the triangle we considered for DB?
DBE.
DBE.
What is the formula of its area? Half into DB. And
into
what is the
EN.
perpendicular?
EN.
EN.
Now children, can you see? Half cancel.
EN.
So what are we left with?
AD
upon DB.
AD upon DB.
AD upon DB. So we have got this left side. Right? Now let us see the another one. AE. Again, the area related to AE is ADE. Now, if I take ADE with AE as base, what will be the perpendicular, children?
EN.
AEC. What is the triangle which related to AEC? DEC.
Half into EC into DM.
Half
Into
base.
C into
Base is
DM.
C into
DN.
DM. So half cancel. DM cancel. What are we left with?
AE upon
So we have got this also. Now these two will be equal if I show these two to be equal.
D
Let
and
us
CD.
see. Let us see. The numerator of both is same. Yes, children?
Yes,
What about the denominators?
And they are also same.
Let us see. DBE. आपने एक result किया है class 9 में. If these two lines are parallel and then the two triangles are drawn on the same base and between same parallels, then their areas are.
Equal.
Now you can see DBE and DCE are on the same base DE. Are they on the same base DE?
Yes, ma'am.
And are they between the same parallel DE and BC?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So will they also be equal in area?
Yes, ma'am.
So LHS is equal and consequently RHS will also be
Equal.
equal. That is how we are proving BPT. Priyansh, please stop.